You can connect your Outlook email and calendar directly to ChatGPT, but what can you actually do once they are connected? In this video, I will show you how to connect Outlook to ChatGPT, find and summarize emails, create email drafts, and work with your Outlook calendar. Let's start by connecting Outlook to ChatGPT. Let's go to Plugins and search for Outlook. You will see separate apps for Outlook Email and Outlook Calendar. I'm going to connect both. I will start with Outlook Email. If you scroll down and click here, you can see all the actions available for the Mail app, including what ChatGPT can read and what it can change or create. You can also read here the privacy policy and the terms of service. We also see that ChatGPT may share relevant chats and memories with the app. So let's start with the installation. Continue to Outlook Email. And here are all the permissions listed. Let's scroll down and then let's accept this. And Outlook Email is installed. Once the application is installed, we can see this try in chat. Now we are going to connect also the calendar. Install plugin. The same, continue with the Outlook calendar. And accept. Now that Outlook is connected, let's start with a simple example. I have several emails in my inbox about an upcoming September promotion. Instead of searching through them one by one, I can ask ChatGPT to find the relevant messages for me. So we will just add here the plugin Outlook email and type or prompt. I will set allow once. ChatGPT finds the relevant emails and brings the information into the conversation. But I don't just want a list of messages, I want to quickly understand what is happening. So I will ask to summarize the key updates from these emails. And now I have the key updates in one place without opening and reading each email individually. But summarizing emails is useful. What I really want to know, which ones actually need my attention. So I will ask ChatGPT to identify the emails that require a response or some kind of action. Now I can quickly see which messages may need attention without going through the entire inbox myself. And if I need to respond, ChatGPT can also help me prepare the reply. So ChatGPT created a draft as a response for this email. And if I go to my draft inbox, then I can see here the proposed email from ChatGPT. I can review it and send it if that is okay. So that covers email, but Outlook isn't only your inbox. Let's see what we can do with the calendar. I will start by asking ChatGPT what meetings I have this week. So I will add the plugin, Outlook calendar, and then I will ask what meetings do I have this week. ChatGPT can read my Outlook calendar and quickly show me what's already scheduled. Now let's say I want to schedule another campaign meeting on Tuesday afternoon. Instead of checking my calendar myself, I can ask ChatGPT when I'm available. Great. Now ChatGPT has found an available time. Can it actually create a meeting for me? Now, if I see my calendar, ChatGPT created the meeting for me. And that's it. Once Outlook is connected, ChatGPT can help you find and summarize emails, identify messages that need your attention, create drafts, and check your calendar and availability. Just remember that the available actions can be different for Outlook email and Outlook calendar, and you can always check the app details to see exactly what's supported. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.